Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a pretty unique product. So Halloween is just over, like literally like yesterday, and the Christmas season is in full swing after that. Well, actually, even before Halloween, Christmas season was in full swing. It looks like all the stores already have like decoration up for Christmas already. Anyway, I got me this little thing right here that maybe will cheer things up around here a little bit with some Christmas decorations. So that's why I have this here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me show you what it is. Well, obviously you already know what this is if you're watching this video. But let me show you. Let me show you for some of you that just clicks on videos and stuff. Look at this thing. This is a little small Christmas decoration here. Anyway, if you need instruction booklet, you can use that. But this here will make everything instantly make things look Christmassy. All right. So, okay, so this is pretty interesting here. It's just it's just wires, huh? Yeah, it's just wires. And you just bend it out. Oh, nice. So yeah, this is like one of those, I guess, dead tree that has LED on it. Or it looks like dead tree at least. It looks, I mean, from far away, it looks pretty, I would say, unique. My camera is having a hard time because it's super white, but it looks great. Like, it looks like it's a tree, the way they designed it. Make sure that all the branch comes out, you know, make it look all fancy and stuff. Okay, so the one thing that I noticed here is that, let me just show you the bottom real quick. It requires 3 AA batteries, which I'll grab in a bit. And you can actually see the exposed motherboard right there to light up the entire thing. Pretty simple product that just, so someone just pretty much, all right. And so there is a power button right here. There's actually a little instruction on there. Let me show you what the instruction says. It says 1 is steady on, 2 is a timer, and 3 is off. So I'm guessing pressing the button. Here, let me put it right here. So that's 1, it's just on. Oh, not sure if you can see that or not, but I should turn the light off. Let me turn the light off. There we go. Okay. Right there. That's beautiful, right? You know what? If I have a spinning base, it would be awesome too. So it would just spin like this. I should look for a spinning base. But yeah, right there. I'm not sure what that meant. I think that's like for timer, whatever the timer is. I guess I need to read the instruction, but I just activated a timer so that it turns off automatically. And then that's off. That's simple. Isn't that cool? Just spruce up your holiday decorations. It's just beautiful. So the one thing I'm going to point out here is that look at the tips, okay? So if you look at this tip right here, there's no LED on these tips right here. The LED actually comes out of each branch. Right there. The way they wrap this is like a plastic wrap. You can see that, right? It's like a plastic wrap. Yeah, it looks incredible. I mean, don't you guys think? That looks beautiful, right? So anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to show you right there. I'm gonna put this thing in the background, you know, so in my upcoming videos, you'll see this in the background. Makes it feel a little bit more Christmassy. Yeah, I can't wait. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Anyway, just want to show you that. Have a good one. Bye-bye.